Chinese students can get 7 years of jail for cheating in an exam. A cancer patient underwent surgery to remove a lump in his lungs. It turned out to be a toy traffic cone he inhaled 40 years ago. He did not have cancer after all. Only female mosquitoes bite because they need blood not for food but to produce eggs. Norway, one of the wealthiest countries in the world, has a pension fund worth over $1 trillion for its 5 million citizens, roughly $2 lakh for each person. Ancient Romans used urine as mouthwash. Urine contains ammonia, which is one of the best cleaning agents on the earth. This man was born with a single giant arm. He works as a professional arm wrestler. During an experiment at the Polytechnic Institute of New York University, a robotic fish was accepted by other fish and became their leader. For the first time in history, airplanes successfully landed on an ice runway in Antarctica. Earth's indestructible black box is being built in Australia that will record every conversation and action taken towards climate change for future generations to see how our planet died. Many experts believe that by the year 2045, humans will achieve digital immortality by uploading their minds to a computer and then back to a different biological body. A Filipino baby and her family inside a human zoo in New York, US 1906. Over 20 African countries have come together to plant an 8,000-kilometer wall of trees in order to stop the spread of the Sahara Desert. Dubai becomes world's first 100% paperless government. The strategy has helped save more than $350 million and over 14 million man-hours across the Dubai government. India's Harnas Sandhu becomes Miss Universe 2021. After 21 years, the crown is back in India. This traveler t-shirt with 40 icons lets you communicate in any country even if you don't speak its language. If four-dimensional beings exist, they can see you no matter where you hide. Joe Biden advisor Catherine Russell appointed as the executive director of UNICEF. According to science, firstborn children are smarter than their siblings. This morning I checked my phone and saw a picture of me sleeping. I live alone. Maharashtra retains a top position among states for most employable talent, UP at second, followed by Kerala, according to the India Skills Report 2022. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.